All right, thanks for coming back for part 2 of English. Well, moving on to our phonics work for today. And we're using a process that you're very familiar with at this point. We're going to connect back to our high frequency word routine. So again, you'll look at the list of high frequency words. Okay, you're going to pick out 5 words for today. Say the word, spell the word, read it, write it, and practice it. Okay, and remember that practice means using the word in a sentence. All right, so you'll write a sentence for each of your high frequency words in your English notebook. Practice them reading aloud one last time, and then you're done with your work for today. So remember, those high frequency words are a great way to help us become more fluent readers. Also for us to understand our reading easier and to become better spellers. All right, so good luck